Hey there! In this tutorial you will learn how to add media to your tours. Media is a great feature which allows you to insert images and videos directly into the tour. This feature will help you cover an empty wall or black TV screen, add branding or images to make your 3D tour unique and eye-catching. Use media to discover Giphy integration, an amazing world of GIFs, stickers and exclusive content to be added into your 3D space. To find media, go to Spaces, select a tour, go to Workspace, find the digital twin, and go to Media. Two sections on the media page, Library and Scene. Library. This is your own library. Here you upload and keep all files you want to add into the tour. Scene, on the other hand, is where you find those objects that were already added into the tour. Before you insert a media object into the tour, you need to select the group of the media. It can be either My Objects or Giphy. My Objects means all your items that you add into the tour. These items are not sourced from any integrations. These are your own uploads. Giphy is an integration which allows you to bring the full Giphy experience to your audience. Numerous clips, GIFs, stickers, and exclusive content like Giphy text and emoji are available for users who have synchronized Giphy account with the Treatise platform. To learn how to do that, please follow the How to Sync Your Giphy without Treatise platform. Once you have done that, you can see that you can search for GIFs and you can select a category. It can be stickers or text. Let's say I want to add a sticker. I will search for a Click Me sticker. You can see the large library and I will choose this one. Drop your sticker. Let's adjust our sticker. As you access the public link, you will see the animated GIF in here. We can also search for the text version of the Click Me text as a GIF. You also see you've got the option to choose whatever type you like and add it to your tour. To add your media, click on Add. You will have to choose the type of media that you want to add, image, video, or HTML. Let's go one by one. I will choose image. Give your image a title. Now, choose the option to add your image. You can insert an URL link for your image, or you can upload a file. Let's upload the file first. You can see this maximum size in here and the formats allowed to upload your file. Click on Upload, select your image, and click Add. Once the image has been added, you will see that it appears in the library section. It is not yet in the scene because you haven't added the image into the tour. You just have added it to your library. Now, click on the image and it will automatically be selected. Select the location and click. Your image has appeared in here. Give it a name and click Save. Now, this image has appeared in here. But let's add another image, and I will add my next image as an URL link. Click on this. To add a URL, please choose your image from the internet and copy the URL of the image. So this is my image. I copy the URL and I go to Add and I choose the option URL. And I click here. You can rotate and scale the image here, but also you can do it in the settings page. I will show you later. Give your image a name and click Add. Now, click on the image, choose the location, position it, and drop it here. You have this page where you can adjust and set different options and possibilities with your images. We will go one by one. Name your asset. Now we have a few options. Turn on the active toggle if you want this image to be active in your tour, or turn the toggle off if you want to hide the image in the tour instead of deleting it. Auto rotate. The media will automatically rotate to the user position according to the sweep that the user is located on. I want my image to be active and I want it to auto rotate. Click Save. You can notice how it rotates according to the sweep that I'm on. Next, you've got some after-click effects. These are effects that will happen after you click on the image. If you select None, no effect will happen. Opacity. The opacity of the image will be reduced as you click on the image. It will become more transparent. You can notice here the after-click effect opacity. The object has become more transparent. Stop animation. Use this to disable any animation effect that the media may have. Next after-click effect is Hide. This will make the image to become invisible after you click on it. Just like this. Your image has been hidden. With 3Ds, you can assign an image to have an animation. You can have no animation. You can have a pulsing animation. This is how the pulsing looks like. Make it to bounce up and down. That's how the bouncing animation looks like. Or you can choose the flip animation, where the image will turn over. And this is how it looks like. You can enable hover animation if you want. Next, we have render range. Render range is the distance from which your media object will be visible in the tour. You can set up the distance that you want, and you can really set up a great range for it to be rendered. Next one, we have start animation distance. Means that the viewers will see the animation assigned to the media object only when they approach it to the indicated distance. Usually, this distance is the same with render range. So feel free to set your animation distance. Delay appearance after trigger. Set how many seconds would delay the appearance of the media after the trigger. This option will be eligible only after reveal conditions in the Experience tour. You can also have this information in here. Next, we are in our adjustment section. Here we can adjust the position, the rotation, and the scale of the object. You can either do it by controlling the vectors. You can also choose the mode in here. If you choose move, you can move the object left or right, up and down. You can rotate it just the way you want it. And you can use the scale in here also. You can either do it with the vectors, or you can use these ones and control the image just like this. I recommend you use the scale option in here because it adjusts your image pretty well. Now let me tell you about clock scale. Use this toggle to apply equivalent parameters X and Y for the media object so that the object size looks proportional in the tour. Next, we've got Trigger Virtual Staging Animation. Trigger Virtual Staging Animation will trigger the animation of the selected virtual staging object as you click on the image. I have already added a virtual staging object, a tiger, with an animation, so I will select it and click Save. As I exit my tour, you can see that my tiger does not have any animation. But if I click on my image, you will see that the animation of the tiger will start. Trigger VS Video. This will trigger the selected video to play as you click on the image. I have already added a video to my tour, so I will select my video and click Save. Now, you can notice that my video is not playing right now, but if I click on my image, this will trigger the video. Trigger appearance after animation. Here we have two options, VS Videos and VS Objects. VS Videos, you can set up for the image to appear after the video animation is over. Or you can set up for the image to appear after the virtual staging item animation is over. If you want your image to appear after the video has played, all you have to do is to select your video and save. And our last section in the media editor are action types. Here you can assign different action types to the image as you click on it. Let's say I choose New Tab. New Tab means that a website will appear as I insert the link in here, and when I click on the image, the website will open in a new tab. Now, as I click on the image, a new tab will open with the website that I have inserted in that section. I can also make another image to appear as I click on my image. So, upload your image. So now what should happen is for another image to pop up as I click on my image. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, I have my new uploaded image in here as I clicked on my image, but that's because I have assigned the image action type to my image. Besides images and GIFs, we can add videos to your tours. To do that, go to Add and choose Media Type, Video. You can add it as a Vimeo link or upload your own file. Please note that Vimeo integration is available only for the business plan users. Provide a title to your video and upload your video. You can also make some adjustments to the sizing and rotation of the video. As the video has appeared in here, click on it and drop it here. So now that we have added our media, let's give it a title. And let's adjust our media. So again, you can scale it. You can move it. You can make it look perfect on a TV screen, for example. I will leave it like this for this moment. Again, you have here a few settings that you can use for your media. Choose the video to be active. You can put it on autoplay. You can hide the mute button, but this is available only for the autoplay videos. You can hide it when the animation is complete, put it on loop, show a preloader animation, which again displays a branded animation at the location of the item while the item is being loaded. And you can also make it auto-rotate, so the video will auto-rotate according to your position. You can choose the after-click effects. Again, you can choose some animation for the video. You can edit the render range and start animation distance. And again, you can scale it. And click Save. At Treatise, you have this amazing feature to add a green screen video to your tour. To do that, go to Media, click Add, choose a video, and upload your green screen video. And very important, please enable this toggle, use green screen. Make sure to choose the exact or very close background color shade as it is in the green screen video. The closer the shade, the better. To do that, you can use the color picker extensions from your browser, and it will help you pick the exact shade of green as it provides you with the color code, like this. Add the green screen to the location that you want. And now we have a few options. First, name your green screen. And let's scale it. And adjust your green screen. Again, you have a few options here to make it on autoplay, hide the mute button, hide when animation is complete, put your green screen on loop, show preloader animation, and make it auto-rotate according to your position in the tour. You can choose the after-click effects, to assign an animation to your green screen. Select your render range. Now, here we have a few green screen configurations. These configurations help to remove the green boundaries that you had before. Here you have strength, smoothness, and spill. Add more strength so that the areas that are even slightly green will be transparent. You can play with the adjustments in here and make it stronger. Smoothness adds smoothness to your video. Spill, increasing it, will remove the green color from the whole image by making it colorless. Sometimes, if the video has a lower quality, spill will help you remove the green boundaries and make it smooth as well. Please remember that these configurations will always be different from video to video because there are differences between the background and the video itself. So once you have adjusted your configurations and your settings, you're ready to click Save. And now you have added your green screen video. Another media type that you can add is an HTML link. You can add an HTML link of a website and put it directly into the tour, on the wall for example. Let's try to do it. Please note that not all websites allow their link to be used, so make sure to check on the iframe tester to see if the link has passed the test. Insert your link and click Add. Now add a HTML to your tour, adjust your media, provide a name. In here you also have the option to choose the render range. Once you have chosen your options, click Save. You can notice how my HTML media is added to the tour and I can navigate on the website directly into the tour.